You've probably seen people online saying, I made $10,000 in my sleep. This AI tool makes me passive income. And you're like, is this even real? Well, the truth? In 2025, there are real AI tools that can help you make money even while you're asleep. And now, you don't need to be a tech genius or a coder. Today, I'll also show you 7 powerful AI tools anyone can use with zero experience to start building real income. Let's go. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. All right, let's start with the king, ChatGPT. You're using it wrong if it's only for writing emails. With a few prompts, you can leverage ChatGPT to generate content, outlines, product ideas, really anything you want. So here's how you can use it to make money. Start a freelance writing side hustle, resumes, blog posts, product descriptions, offer Instagram captions or YouTube script writing on Fiverr, Upwork. Build digital products like ebooks or guides to sell online. What if you don't want to work for clients or create digital products? Then you can utilize the freemium model. So what is that? Well, you offer something for free and then you upsell them on more advanced paid options. For example, you could offer to write Instagram captions for free if they sign up for a premium plan. You can use ChatGPT to generate hundreds of creative Instagram caption prompts. Or you can use it to create YouTube video titles and thumbnails, and then you charge brands for guaranteed top rankings. I'm literally giving you guys examples based on ChatGPT. Tool number 2, Opus Clip. Ever seen short clips of podcasts or business advice going viral? Most of those creators didn't sit and edit them for hours. They used Opus Clip, an AI tool that turns long videos into viral shorts. So here's how you make money with Opus Clip. Offer video clipping services on Fiverr. Start a faceless shorts channel. Sell packages to small businesses for content repurposing. So one video becomes 10 short clips, and each clip can go viral while you sleep. Tool number 3, Leonardo. You've ever thought, I can't draw, so I can't sell designs? Think again, Leonardo. AI generates stunning professional grade art in seconds. You can use it to create and sell t-shirt designs on Redbubble or Etsy. Offer iCurt commissions. Design thumbnails or social media content. Tool number 4, Copy.ai. Copywriting makes money, period. In copy, AI makes copywriting easy. Whether it's creating product descriptions for Shopify sellers, helping businesses write email campaigns, or creating ad copy for social media, businesses are always looking for good copywriters. So you can make money by writing product descriptions for Shopify sellers, helping businesses write email campaigns, creating ad copy for social media. Tool number 5, ElevenLabs. No mic, no problem. So here's the deal. You can use it to create YouTube automation videos without showing your face, sell voiceovers on freelancing platforms, start a podcast channel with AI voices. Tool number 6, Notion AI. This is not just for note-taking. Notion AI can build planners, templates, and content calendars you can sell. For example, you can create a 2025 goal planner and sell it on Gumroad, or you can make a digital business dashboard for freelancers and sell it on your website. To take it a step further, you can sell Notion templates on Etsy or your own site. Tool number 7, Pictory. Want to turn articles or blogs into videos? Pictory does it for you. So here's what you can do. Turn trending blog posts into YouTube shorts. Start a faceless YouTube channel using articles. Create content for small businesses using their blogs. All right, so that's 7 tools you can start using today to generate income. But here's the secret sauce, how to actually make money with AI. First, choose a tool that matches your skill set. Are you good at writing? Then use ChatGPT, Copy.ai, or ElevenLabs. Are you artistic? Then use Leonardo. I too create unique pieces. Can you write copy? Try out Pictory or Opus Clip. Next, pick your method. There are 3 ways to make money with a freelance, digital products, or a brand new business. Freelancing means offering your services to others like writing or editing. Digital products are things like courses or Notion templates. A brand new business can be anything from an AI agency to a voiceover service. Third, become an expert in 30 days. Yes, I said 30 days because that's all it takes to become decent at something. Commit to learning one tool, picking one method, and going all in for a month. But here's the catch. It's not enough to simply understand the tool. You must learn how to make money with it. Here's what that looks like. Step 1, find a pain point. What problems can you solve with your chosen tool? Step 2, identify your target market. Who needs your solution? Step 3, position yourself as an expert. Create content around your skills. Step 4, provide value for free. Help people solve their problems for free. Step 5, monetize your skills. Now that you've built trust, you can start charging for your services. If this sounds too hard, don't worry. We've got your back. Our team is working on a new training course that teaches you exactly how to do this. It will be available soon, but if you subscribe to our channel, you'll get early access. Now let's talk about why some people see I making them thousands while others struggle to get started. Well, it's simple. Those who succeed don't just use AITools, they understand how to leverage them to make money. It's like having a hammer. If you know how to use it, you can build houses and make money. But if all you do is stare at it, it's just a very expensive paperweight. So here are the 3 steps to becoming an iMillionaire. Step 1, understand the tools. Learn how each tool works and what it can do for you. Step 2, learn how to monetize. Find a way to make money with the tool. Step 3, become an expert. Get really good at what you're doing. So remember, tools aren't going to make you rich. Your knowledge and skills will. With that being said, let's get back to the tools. When you combine the power of these AITools with your creativity and drive, you can achieve financial freedom. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Start today and watch your income grow. So, which tool are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.